2-foot diameter minimum. 3-foot over there. One cut would drop both of those that I was seeing as two. A 3.5-foot diameter cut would drop that whole branch. It'd fall away from the tree for sure. And there's another one that I thought could be one or two. Yeah. Where the V is there, that could be one branch if it was cut low enough, but it'd be a big cut. About 2.5-foot diameter cut. On the end of the woods, I think. Tastes like mushroom, tastes good. Raw anyway. Cook it, it tastes better. Six foot at minimum at the base there, I'm thinking. Run a cord around it and measure it, that would be good. I don't have one. Fiddle-dee-dee, Millie. I forgot to bring the cord she gave me last week. I forgot. She brought hers and marked the stuff with them. I don't even have my scythe with me. I'm gonna get here and look at it from out here. That branch cut there and drop it. And those two cut down below. Like I said, this one's about 3 foot minimum. Cut it right down here and it wouldn't come down on this end. That's a good 3 foot though. I'm gonna call it 3 foot anyway. Guy has to know what he's doing. All of them are gonna fall away from the tree, no question, no problem with that. And there's not anything to load them to shoot back at the tree. They just drop and break, shatter. I think it could be done. Scaffolding will get up there. Ladder, whatever. Two ladders and a scaffold. One of those gorilla ladders. What ladders that make a plank of scaffolding would work here.